हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू। होपफुली आप सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे। बेटा, लास्ट लेक्चर में मैंने आपको डिस्कस करके भेजा था वीडियो लेक्चर टाइप्स ऑफ यूनिट सेल्स, एनालिसिस ऑफ क्यूबिक क्रिस्टल्स। अब उसी एनालिसिस ऑफ क्यूबिक क्रिस्टल में आगे देखते हैं। पिछले लेक्चर में मैंने आपको बताया था सॉलिड स्टेट में व्हेन वी एनालाइज्ड अ क्यूबिक क्रिस्टल, the sphere present at the corner of the cube contributed its 1/8 part to the unit cell। ठीक है, इट मीन्स अगर आपके पास कोई क्यूबिक क्रिस्टल है, क्यूबिक क्रिस्टल में जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स होंगे, मे बी एटम्स, मॉलिक्यूल्स, आयंस, कंसीडर एज स्फीयर। The sphere present at corner contributed its 1/8 part to the unit cell. That means the portion which is inside the cube is 1/8 of the whole part. Okay. Similarly, the sphere present at the face center of the cubic unit cell. You know, if any sphere is present at the face center, that is the center of the face, its contribution is 1/2 part, because its half part contributed by another unit. You should know a face of any common geometry. The face is always shared by two units, half in this part, because it's a symmetrical. Any symmetrical body can be divided into equal parts. तो अगर कोई स्फीयर किसी फेस पर आएगा और इसके बाद दूसरी यूनिट भी यहाँ पे होगी, when we repeat in the crystalline system, its half part is in this unit, half part is in this unit. So what is the contribution of the sphere when it is present at the face center? Take it 1/2 part. The sphere which is present at the sphere present at the edge center of the cube, you know, the sphere which is present at the edge center of the cube, as आप समझ सकते हो किसी कॉमन रूम में अगर आप कोई भी एज देखो, then that this as can be shared by 4 other unit. अगर मैं इस रूम के साथ एक दूसरा रूम कंसीडर करूं, इस रूम के ऊपर एक रूम कंसीडर करूं, जो साथ वाला रूम है उसके भी ऊपर एक रूम कंसीडर करूं, then this particular as is shared by 4 units. You can understand this as, this is the as, this is shared by 1 unit, 2 unit, 1 above it, 3 unit, 1 above it, 4 units. This is the common unit of these 4 spheres, 4 units. This is the common as of these 4 units, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the sphere present on this as is shared by all 4 units equally. So you can say the sphere, I am using the term sphere for the constituent particles which may be atoms, molecules or ions, by which any particular crystalline solid is made up of. So the sphere which is present at the edge of the cubic system, अगर बेटा किसी cubic system में sphere एज पर है, it should be shared by 4 units. So its contribution is 1/4 part of its volume. इसके वॉल्यूम का 1/4 पार्ट 1 यूनिट में कंसीडर होगा. So this is the contribution of the spheres present at different sites. इसके अलावा बेटा कुछ और चीजें आपने समझनी चाहिए. If you talk about simple cubic, simple or primitive cubic structure, अगर हम सिंपल और प्रिमिटिव क्यूबिक स्ट्रक्चर की बात करेंगे बेटा, देन यू नो in the simple cubic or primitive structure spheres are present only at corners, and you should know all spheres touching to each other along their sides. Spheres are present at all corners and the spheres are touching to each other along their sides. So here you can find out some answers of the questions, like first one, if this radius is r, this radius is r, then what is the relation between as length and r in this case? In case of simple cubic, as length and radius related with each other as equal to 2r. R is the radius of the sphere and a is the as length. Second, what is the coordination number of a sphere? Remember, coordination number of the sphere in simple cubic. बेटा कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर आपको बताया जा चुका है. कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर मींस द मैक्सिमम nearest neighbors or the maximum nearest neighboring number of spheres around the sphere. Suppose we consider this sphere, its nearest one is 1, this is the second, this is the third, it may be the fourth one of the another unit, maybe the fifth one of the another unit, maybe the sixth one of the another unit, which are the nearest around this 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So remember, coordination number in case of simple cubic is 6. ये बेटा थोड़ा समझ आना मुश्किल है, ये 3D है, बट आप कोशिश करोगे तो समझ आ जाएगा. Take this sphere. This sphere is touching to 1, 2 and 3, and when we put another ball here, 5, 4, 5 and 6. This sphere can touch maximum 6 spheres when we arrange in the simple cubic manner. 1, देख लो 1, 2, 3, इसके ऊपर भी एक आ सकता है 4, इधर भी आ सकता है 5, इधर भी आ सकता है 6. ठीक है, इसका कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 6 होगा. Now, how can you find out packing fraction? Packing fraction or packing efficiency of simple cubic structure. बेटा अगर आपसे कभी कोई ये भी पूछे कि फाइंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्फीयर्स इन 1 यूनिट, total number of spheres in 1 unit, 1 simple cubic unit, then you know there are 8 spheres at all corners and all contributed 1 by 8 at the corner. So total spheres present in a 1 unit is equal to 1. Okay, these are some simple 1 marks question or can be asked in objective about the simple cubic. Now how can you find out packing fraction or packing efficiency of simple cubic or primitive? Packing fraction or packing efficiency defined as the total volume occupied by all the spheres in the unit cell divided by total volume of the unit cell. कभी भी बेटा किसी भी 3D में अगर आपने किसी पर्टिकुलर पैकिंग का पैकिंग फ्रैक्शन निकालना हो या पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी निकालना हो, then remember the total volume occupied by all the spheres within the unit. उस यूनिट में टोटल स्फीयर्स कितने इनसाइड है और उस पूरे यूनिट का वॉल्यूम कितना है. स्फीयर्स का वॉल्यूम डिवाइड बाय यूनिट का वॉल्यूम, वी कैन फाइंड आउट पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी. नाउ हियर in case of simple cubic, if you find out the packing efficiency or packing fraction, total number of spheres in this case 1 into volume of the sphere, if we take r as the radius, you know 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now what is the volume of the unit? It's a cube. A is the as length. If A is the as length, it should be a cube. Now solve this. 4 by 3 pi r cube. A, the value of A and R related for the simple cubic is 2r. So it should be written as 2r cube. On solving, you get here, it is pi by 6, that is 0.52, or that is 52%. So we can say, in case of simple cubic packing, 52% part is occupied by the spheres and 48% part as empty or void fraction in this packing. इसमें क्वेश्चंस क्या आएंगे? ये 5 क्वेश्चंस बन सकते हैं. What is the relation between S length and R for the simple cubic? ठीक है. What's the coordination number of spheres in the simple cubic? How many number of spheres are present in the simple cubic? What is packing fraction? And calculate packing fraction for the simple cubic. ये कुछ इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आपको यहाँ पे मिल सकते हैं, लेकिन इस टाइप के जितने भी है ये सभी के सभी आपको तीनों क्यूब में मिल सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स अगर आप इसको समझ गए हो, देन आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट BCC, body centered cubic. In case of body centered cubic, what should be the answer of all these questions? As you know, body centered cubic, spheres are present at all corners as well as center of the body. ठीक है. Now first question, relation between S length and R for this case. Remember, in this case, spheres touching to each other along the body diagonal. Spheres should touch to each other along the body diagonal. This is the case of type this. This is BCC. This is the body centered unit. And these spheres, this one and the center one, all three touch to each other along the body diagonal. If this room is a cube, then this corner and this corner as is called body diagonal. So बेटा ये body diagonal पे टच करते हैं. आपको पता होना चाहिए, अगर A इसकी as length है, then body diagonal always equal to √3a, and it should be the R, 2r and R. It is 4r. It's a relation between as length and radius for the body centered cubic. Similarly, what should be its coordination number? Body centered sphere is touched to all 8 spheres present at the corner. You can see clearly this sphere present at the body centered, this touched to all 4 and all these 4. These spheres have coordination number up to 8, and remember, these spheres are not touching to each other, just like in simple cubic. In the simple cubic, these spheres are touched to along the side, but in this case the spheres are not touching along the side, the spheres are touching along the body diagonal, in which the middle body centered sphere touched to both corners. Actually this touched to the all 8 corners. So remember, in this case coordination number is 8. And if we talk about total number of spheres in BCC, then corners have same contribution, but here one more sphere is present at the body center, so total contribution is 2. Now how can you calculate the packing fraction in this case? Definition is same for the packing fraction. The total volume occupied by all the spheres in the unit cell divided by total volume of the unit cell. Now beta, BCC, total volume occupied all the spheres. Here are 2 spheres, so put here 2, a cube. Now here A can be written as A is equal to 4r by √3. This value of A put here, you get 4r by √3 cube. On solving, you get what? On solving, you get nearly 0.68, that is 68%. That means you can say the body centered packing is more efficient than simple cubic packing. So we can find out the packing fraction of the body center. And now you can write if you have to ask the right what is the meaning of this packing fraction, then you can explain that in case of body centered packing, BCC cubic packing, 68% is occupied by the spheres and 32% as empty or as a wide fraction. मतलब इसमें करीब 32% पोर्शन अभी भी खाली पड़ा हुआ है. ठीक है. Similarly, you may have to ask to calculate all these same parameters, the spheres which will touch to each other, relation between as length, coordination number, number of spheres and packing fraction. 4 or 5 these questions can be asked in case of FCC, face centered cubic. It is also known as CCP. CCP means cubic close packing. Cubic close packing or face centered packing. Okay, now I am going to discuss the third one. What is the packing fraction in case of face centered cubic? बेटा इन तीन में से कोई एक आ सकता है. ठीक है, एग्जाम में आ सकता है और ये जो मैं आपको डिटेल एनालिसिस भेज रहा हूँ, इट इज वेरी यूजफुल फॉर द सब्जेक्टिव एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव बोथ. नाउ व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एफसीसी? Face centered cubic is the closest packing. In this case, spheres are present at all corners, you know, it's a non-primitive. As well as center of each face, there are 6 faces. This is the FCC. Okay, so what should be the relation? This is the FCC unit in front of you. Spheres present at all corners as well as face center. There are the 6 faces. There are the 6 faces. This is the 6 faces. These are the faces, and this is the face. All 6 faces, and here see very clearly the face center sphere touch to the corner spheres along the face diagonal. This is the face, and this is the face diagonal. So, what should be the relation in this case between as length and radius? I am seeing very clearly here these spheres touch to each other. अगर आप इसको ऐसे नहीं देख पा रहे हो, then draw a face and spheres. Now you can join. ठीक है बेटा, इस केस में as length और r में क्या रिलेशन होगा? This is the triangle and this is the hypotenuse and this is the right angle triangle. So here you can write it root 2a is equal to 4r. If this is the a, this is a, then this length will be the root 2a and this is r, 2r and r. This sum is 4r. So here you get a is equal to 4r by root 2. In case of FCC, what should be the coordination number? It is 12, most efficient packing. Now question is this, how can you say the coordination number in FCC is 12? It is little bit difficult to understand on 2D, you have to understand in 3D. Try to make this type of module and see here, this one touch to 4, 4 इनको touch कर रहा है, this one. एंड 4 ये ध्यान से देखो, 4 इसको, 4 ये हो गए 8. सिमिलरली इन दिस साइड ऑल्सो. सो 4 एक बार फिर से देखिए, ये 4, ये स्फीयर 4 के बाद फिर 5, 6, 7 एंड 8 एंड 4 ऑफ द सेम यूनिट. इसके साथ में जो दूसरी यूनिट होगी, दिस इज द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 12. टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्फीयर्स इफ वी फाइंड आउट हियर इन एफसीसी, 8 into 1 by 8 from the corner, 6 into 1 by 6 from the each face centered. So here 4. Now if you find out the packing fraction in case of FCC, formula is same. Put here 4. There are the 4 spheres, and this one is root 2 cube. And solve this, you get nearly 0.74. That is 74% is occupied by the spheres. And now what is the meaning of this one? In case of FCC's cubic packing, 74% portion is occupied with the spheres and remaining 26% part is empty or wide fraction. So this is the cubic analysis of all 3 types and the calculation of packing fraction. इस type के questions बेटा पूछ सकते हैं. So watch it very carefully, and all these parameter and explanation would help in the calculation of numericals also. Okay, and can be asked packing fraction. One of the packing fraction can be asked in the board exam. to explain, to write up. Okay, and then if you have any doubt or feel difficulty, then call me. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot.